Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, featuring rare finds and hard-to-find deals you don't see every day. Number 1. 1963 BSA Super Rocket A10, $9,800, Portage, Indiana. The 1963 BSA Super Rocket A10 represents the final year of one of the most iconic British 650cc parallel twins, making it especially desirable among collectors. This example is a strong-running, ready-to-ride motorcycle that retains many correct and original components, including the proper A10R Super Rocket engine, a Mall carburetor, and Ewert's fuel tap. It presents as an honest survivor with natural patina, offering authenticity rather than over-restoration. With a clean title and even original paperwork included, it stands out as a well-documented classic. Bikes like this are becoming increasingly difficult to find in complete and rideable condition, making it a compelling choice for vintage enthusiasts. Number 2. 1979 Honda Goldwing, $2,000, Louisville, Texas. The 1979 Honda Goldwing is a well-known touring motorcycle that helped redefine long-distance riding with its smooth, flat-four engine and comfortable design. This example is a budget-friendly project that still shows strong potential as it starts, but will need carburetor cleaning and brake work before regular use. Key components such as the engine, transmission, tires, and paint are reported to be in good condition, providing a solid foundation. It also includes extra parts, which can be valuable during the recommissioning process. With a title in hand and a reasonable price point, this Goldwing is a great opportunity for someone looking to revive a classic touring machine. Number 3. 1976 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead, $7,000, Hutchinson, Kansas. The 1976 Harley-Davidson FLH Shovelhead is a true American classic, known for its distinctive engine character and strong presence on the road. This example is described as being in very clean condition and has received a number of recent updates, including a new battery, seat, chain, and speedometer. It also features an S&S Super E carburetor, which is a popular upgrade for improved performance and reliability. The bike runs, shifts, and stops as it should, making it a ready-to-ride vintage cruiser. With its iconic styling and proven mechanical setup, this Shovelhead offers both authenticity and usability for enthusiasts. Number 4. 1972 Yamaha XS650, $2,450, Lincoln, Nebraska. The 1972 Yamaha XS650 is an early and highly regarded version of Yamaha's classic parallel twin platform, known for its reliability and engaging performance. Producing around 50 horsepower, it offers a strong and responsive ride that remains enjoyable even by modern standards. This model year introduced key upgrades such as a front disc brake, electric starter, and a refined 5-speed transmission, making it a significant step forward in the lineup. With nearly 28,000 miles, this example represents a well-used but still desirable vintage machine. Its growing cult following and timeless design continue to drive interest among collectors and riders alike. Number 5. 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 T3, $4,000, Cedar Grove, Wisconsin. The 1976 Moto Guzzi 850 T3 is a classic Italian V-twin that combines unique engineering with long-distance comfort and durability. Powered by an 844cc air-cooled engine, it delivers smooth torque and a distinctive riding character enhanced by its shaft drive system. The T3 model is particularly known for its advanced triple-disc braking system and stable Tonti frame, which provide confident handling. This example is described as a solid runner with higher mileage, reflecting years of use while still offering dependable performance. For riders seeking a distinctive vintage motorcycle with both character and practicality, the 850 T3 remains a standout choice. Number 6. 1983 Suzuki GN125, $1,500, Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. The 1983 Suzuki GN125 is a lightweight and practical vintage motorcycle known for its simplicity, reliability, and ease of use. This example is reported to be in very good condition for its age and comes with a clean title in hand. It starts, runs, and stops as it should, making it a ready-to-ride option for daily use or casual cruising. A new air filter has been installed, adding to its recent upkeep. With its manageable size and straightforward design, the GN125 is an excellent choice for newer riders or anyone looking for an affordable and dependable classic. Number 7. 1983 Kawasaki KZ550 LTD Custom, $1,500, Overland Park, Kansas. This 1983 Kawasaki KZ550 LTD has been transformed into a custom brat-style cruiser, blending vintage Japanese engineering with modern custom aesthetics. The bike has gone through a full cleaning, tuning, and customization process, resulting in a unique one-off build. Highlights include a freshly painted pearl black metallic tank, custom seat, upgraded handlebars, LED lighting, and new rear suspension components. Much of the work involves hand-fabricated details, giving the bike a distinctive personality. While it will need fork seals installed, parts included, it remains a strong-running and visually striking machine for riders who appreciate custom builds. Number 8. 1967 Gilera 124 5V Sears, $1,800, Mundelein, Illinois. The 1967 Gilera 124 5V Sears is a rare and interesting small-displacement European motorcycle, offering unique styling and mechanical character. This example features refreshed chrome and paint, giving it a clean overall appearance. It is reported to run, though it will need some fine-tuning to reach its full potential. Minor items such as a stretched clutch cable and some electrical work are noted, making it a light project rather than a full restoration. With a title, manual, and extra parts included, this Gilera presents a great opportunity for collectors looking for something uncommon and rewarding to complete. Number 9. 1971 Honda CB350 Cafe Racer, $2,300, Waunakee, Wisconsin. The 1971 Honda CB350 is one of the most popular vintage motorcycles from Honda's early lineup, known for its reliability and balanced performance. This example has been styled as a cafe racer while maintaining strong usability. With just over 8,700 miles, it appears to be a well-kept bike that runs, rides, and shifts smoothly. Both electric and kickstart systems are functional, adding convenience and versatility. Its lightweight feel and responsive engine make it an enjoyable choice for city riding or weekend use. For those seeking a classic Honda with a bit of custom flair, this CB350 offers solid value. Number 10. 1979 BMW R65, $3,100, Branson, Missouri. The 1979 BMW R65 is part of BMW's respected Airhead lineup, offering a smooth and dependable boxer twin riding experience in a slightly more compact package. This example is described as being in near-perfect condition and runs and rides beautifully, reflecting careful ownership. With around 29,000 miles, it remains a well-preserved vintage machine. Recent updates, such as new tires and a new headlight, help ensure continued usability. It also comes equipped with hard saddlebags and a rain cover, adding practicality for longer rides. For riders seeking a refined and comfortable classic, this R65 is a strong and appealing option. Number 11. 1979 Yamaha XS $2,500, Genoa, Nebraska. The 1979 Yamaha XS Series is well known for its reliability and classic parallel twin performance, making it a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. This example is described as being in excellent, near-mint condition and ready to ride, which is increasingly rare for bikes of this era. With around 11,000 miles, it appears to have been well cared for and preserved over time. It runs and rides beautifully, offering a smooth and enjoyable experience on the road. With a clean title and strong overall presentation, this XS stands out as a simple, dependable classic that can be enjoyed immediately. Number 12. 1991 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 Hardtail, $6,000, Tullahoma, Tennessee. This 1991 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 has been transformed into a custom hardtail build, combining classic Harley character with a stripped-down, minimalist design. The engine has been fully rebuilt from the crank up, including a new clutch, refreshed transmission components, and detailed top-end work, ensuring strong mechanical performance. The frame features a custom hardtail conversion, paired with freshly powder-coated wheels, new tires, and updated suspension components. Additional upgrades include new chain and sprockets, rebuilt forks, and refreshed braking components. With a clean title and a well-executed build, this one-off Sportster offers a unique riding experience for those who appreciate custom craftsmanship. Number 13. 1968 BSA Starfire 250, $2,000, Fenton, Missouri. The 1968 BSA Starfire 250 is a lightweight British single-cylinder motorcycle that captures the simplicity and charm of its era. This example remains mostly original, with only a few replaced components such as the rear tire, muffler, and handlebars. It presents as a solid candidate for light restoration or continued use as a vintage rider. With a clean title included, it offers a straightforward ownership experience. Smaller displacement British bikes like the Starfire are becoming increasingly appreciated for their manageable size and classic styling, making this an accessible entry into vintage ownership. Number 14. 1987 BMW K75, $2,200, Sheridan, Indiana. The 1987 BMW K75 is part of BMW's early K-Series lineup, known for its smooth three-cylinder engine and dependable shaft drive system. This example runs and rides great, delivering the refined performance that these bikes are known for. It has received recent maintenance along with new tires, helping ensure reliability for regular use. While the speedometer is not currently functioning, the rest of the bike is reported to be in proper working order. With its clean appearance and practical design, the K75 remains a comfortable and capable vintage motorcycle that is ready for the road. Number 15. 1972 Honda CB100, $800, Beaver Dam, Wisconsin. The 1972 Honda CB100 is a small displacement classic that reflects Honda's reputation for simple, durable engineering. This example has been sitting for an extended period and will require some recommissioning before it can be ridden again. It previously ran and includes several newer components such as tires, body panels, and a seat, along with an electronic ignition upgrade that has yet to be installed. While it does not currently have a title, it presents an affordable project opportunity for someone looking to bring a lightweight vintage bike back to life. For hands-on enthusiasts, this CB100 offers a low-cost entry into restoration. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Like, subscribe, and check back daily for more rare and affordable classic motorcycles across the US.